Good day, panelists. I am Princess May Martinez, and now I am going to introduce our study. The title of our study is Effects of Lack of Time Management to the Academic Performance of the Students. As we all know, managing our time is a really matter, but sometimes it is difficult. It is difficult to balance or manage. And because of that, it leads to incomplete tasks or requirements, weak study habits, and a high stress level. This study aims to evaluate the different effects of the lack of time management, and it also aims to know if lack of time management really affects the academic performance of the students.
Good day to all panelists. I am Armeta Torres, and today we will be talking about SOP or Statement of the Problem. This study aims to find out how lack time management affects the academic performance of senior high school student. Specifically, it seeks to answer the following question. What is the level of time management skills of senior high school student in terms of scheduling and planning, goal setting, prioritizing tasks, avoiding procrastination? Number 2, is there a significant relationship between time management and academic performance of senior high school students? Number 3, which aspect of the time management, scheduling, goal setting, prioritizing tasks, procrastination significantly predicts the academic performance? Number 4, does lack of time management have a significant effects of overall academic performance of senior high school students?
Good day, panelists. I am Megan Arpanalin, and now we're talking about conceptual framework. The conceptual framework in our study, it shows how the two variables are connected to each other. In our study, it shows how the time management affect an academic performance of the senior high school student of Panagkangan National High School. The conceptual framework has 4 parts. First is planning, second is goal setting, and third is prioritizing tasks, and last is avoiding procrastination. These are the skills the student use to organize their time well. When students manage their time well, they are more likely to finish their task.
Good day, panelists. I am Risto Gomez, and today I will be discussing the definition of term. The following terms are defined in the context of the study. Academic performance. It is the measure of how a student will do in educational setting. Effects refers to how poor time management impact senior high school student grades. Lack of time management, poor planning or improper use of time that leads to unfinished tasks, cramming, procrastination, and difficulty management school requirements. Procrastination, the habit of delaying or avoid school tasks, often caused by poor time management. Time management, it refers to the way students manage their time in order to have better academic performance, which is unavailable for academic success. Time, it is the basis or on how students measure its list of prioritized in doing school projects and other specified tasks on a certain period.
Good morning to all panelists. I am Maria G. Ignacio, and we are to tackle in reading-related literature. This management, these researchers say that high school and college are ever different when it comes to managing time. In high school, teacher explain lesson in details, but in college student, most study more on their own because lecture only gives basic ideas written and teacher.
I am Armeta Torres, and today we will be talking about research design. This study will use correlational research design to find out
whether student time management is related to their academic performance. This design is appropriate because it helps the researchers to see the connection between two variables without changing anything in the student's environment. A survey questionnaire will be used to collect information about students' habits, such as how they plan their tasks, how often they procrastinate, and how well they perform in school. According to Karen and Metra, 2020 correlational studies are useful for examining how students' behaviors influence academic outcomes. Ethical considerations. The researcher will ask permission from students before interviewing them. Their names and personal details will not be included in the study. They can skip question or stop the interview anytime. The researcher will make sure the questions are respectful and that the students feel safe and comfortable. All information will kept private and use only the research for the research.
Their answers will be kept confidential and used only for academic purposes.
This is our research instrument, wherein there are 8 statements, and the respondents will going to check 4 if strongly agree, 3 if agree, 2 if disagree, and 1 if they are strongly disagree. So that will be the research questionnaire or research instrument that we're going to use to collect the data.
We have ethical considerations. The researcher will ask permission from students before interviewing them. Their names and personal details will not be included in the study. They can skip question or stop the interview anytime. The researcher will make sure the questions are respectful and that the students feel safe and comfortable. All information will kept private